endurot sõitma. Oh, one more time. Yeah, I know. Oh, fuck. Very slippery. Veel hullemad algajad kui mina.
Che sto lì.
one. Juve, fine. Here's enough room to make speed. Of course, second. Oh, wow. I'll hit the rock. Just hit the rock. I'm okay. Didn't see it. No.
On the right of the where we normally go,
Now it's good. It's all going to YouTube. Now be professional. No. It doesn't look professional. Yeah. Päris libän kivi tämä. Seismajat on libä. Fuck! It's so slippery. To the left. My nose is to the right, left, I go to the left. I'm on the road. Okay, where I'm coming? Down to the road. I'm coming down. I can't miss good section. Ah, I can see it. I'm coming down to the Hubwheel road. Oh, I'm coming down. Oh, this road is uphill, but I'm coming down here. Yeah. Wow, nice road. Doktor näitab siin, kuidas minna, aga tegelikult ta must varem sõita ei ole, aga vähemalt üritab. Jõhkralt libe mudane. Ei saanud ühe korraga. This video you had in YouTube from this hill to go to the left.
Yes, so this one you can go right or left, but if you go right to come up, when you get to the top you must carry all your speed.
Understood.
Left hand side is easier.
I watched this video on YouTube from your homepage.
Yes.
How is the camera angle? Look.
It looks good.
You can...
Yeah, it looks dead.
Doktor läheb. You fucked it up, yes. Can I pass you or not?
Your clump.
Of course it was slow. instruktor nüüd tuleb sealt. Erki, mine nüüd normaalselt üles niimoodi, et sa näitaksid, et kas sa oled Sirgalas käinud ja oskad siis üles sõita või ei oska. Oi jumal küll, pinge on peal, vaata. Instruktor ei saanud üles, kas ma saan. Ei saanud üles päris. I fucked it up ja katse järgi. Teine katse. Võtsi sama koht kui libe see kividel. Same place. Same place. Yeah. Come, you can pass me. Come, if you're going straight, you can pass me. No point, next try.
More speed, I'm making too little power.
Yeah, but it's really slippery. I'm coming, stop there. Stop there. Fuck! Ma kuradi põrutama teid. Nice. What? I hit the rock again. Same rock every time. No. Here is nothing difficult. It's my fault. Mitri läheb. Nii Erki, 5. katse. Jälle siia. This is my rock. One more turn. Try. Nii, 6. katse. Up is up. Not beautiful. Not beautiful. Yeah. Like in circus, riding on the wall. Yeah, how are you doing? Mitri läheb jälle. Mitri. Oh. Up is up, but he's coming down. Yeah, it's very bad feeling. It's almost same feeling as your gear is off when you have to hit the throttle. I tried different route, left side. Take my route now. Nice one. It's filming. Look, it's filming. The screen is on.
Yes, yeah.
And how is your angle? Normal.
Well, looks good.
Ah, slippery. But it was my fault. You had enough momentum, keep it. But I'm a little bit uncertain if I don't know what's other side. Julm tõmme on karpad. Mulle meeldib see karpa teema. Või ütleme, mul on TBI nii tuunitud nagu ta on. Karpad on madalad ikka paremini. Ma saan aru, miks Mikko ja Timur sõidavad karpadega. Jõhkralt kaku poolt.
Come around the corner and the camber's away, like and then you've got to try and you straight up and over down. If you get there and you don't have good traction, then just go right in the rock.
Oh, you can see yeah.
Very nice.
I take this one more time. Enamus tõusud on 2-0 Sergode kasu. KTM-id ei ruuli siin, või siis mehed või? Proovi ümber mängida. I'm ready. If I'm hitting it first time, I'm ready to move on. Täitsa pekis, kus tõmbab alt, noh. Jumala eest. Söögu mind kuradi koerad ära, kui ma pärast endale ka Serko või Beta ostan. Aga pole üldse välistatud, no jumala, chill on sõita. Just siukest ronimist. Kaabimäälini on padulipä. Sorry. Kuradi oksad on siin. Ütles on raske või on raske? Aga tule, kus siin on tõuse. Mine või hulluks. Igal pool, kus silm vaatab ainult, sõida. Ütleme nii, et instructor on in struggle. I already went up. I went up and came down.
I tried to go left of the tree on top here.
And fell down, yeah.
Down, I slipped down, and the bike slipped and landed on the tree like this.
You.
Me and Danny, yeah. Me and Danny. First time we did this one with the two of us. But inside.
Ja üle puu peab kohe sõitma, üle puu kohe. Sai üle, erinevalt minust. But this one where we came down, it's easy one. Nothing yet. Keeras bussi. Proovin ise mitte bussi keerata. Keeras ikka bussi. Ütleme vaata mäge, mis oli possible. Miiko Põder ütleks selle kohta. Nothing is impossible. I'm making video for my friends, making comments sometime. Oh, this one. Okay. Yeah, it's a problem. But I try it anyway. It's not. It's not dangerous. We try it. Very good, very good. Almost. Yeah, nothing is impossible. But yeah, but you can't ride in the water trail because big stones are coming. I'm filming up here. Come. Yeah, all going to YouTube and on your channel. I'm going to tag you. Power, power, power! No, you lost your legs. If legs are coming off, it's... Yeah, no grip. Kohe algus läks bussi, aga ma olen üleval ära käinud. Alright man, it's all in your head. Yeah, and on the rear tire. going, now we're going. Foot, foot, foot. Yeah, yeah. You lost your feet. Enough power and good grip.
When I cross over,
No, I didn't.
over and come left, but what I'm doing is I'm crossing over and fucking keep going right, which is wrong. Get 1 second break. To feel this in my right forearm.
Nii, vahetame instruktoriga tsiklid ära, et vaadata, kas tema tsikkel on kehvem kui minu oma. Kas ta tollega saab üles või ei saa? Ma proovin tema omaga nüüd. Natuke vanem Serko, aga rehv on ka kehvem natuke. Of course, it's not a matter of a bike. Jalad tulid raua pealt maha, you lost your feet. Now it's already almost too easy. Yeah, because everything getting smoother. No seal see instruktor nüüd on. Vaatasime mootoritad ära, aga ei saanud üles. Järelikult ei olnud asi mootorit. Aga siukest asja ei ole olemas nagu there is not such thing as impossible climb. Tracks are going to right. Jebis ära mul sõidu ja kella tõmbasin ka katki. But so slippery, but in a hard enduro, second important thing is to find the line. How was it? Piece of cake?
Yeah, there's only one section, you know, where you have to like pivot turn. That section was a bit of a pain in the yard.
Okay.
Other than that, the rest of it was okay.
Water reservoir here.
Yes.
Up! Of course we will. Uh-huh.
Straight down onto the road. The last time I was here, go around the corner and then we have
Seppa, takarata soiku. 2 Seppa 2 milliga. Nahakaappi kohta. Yeah.
You hit this rock straight. Hit it straight, and then after the rock a little bit left, and then as you get up, let the bike slide to the middle and you go up. Not too different.
Quite good grip. First gear.
Won the competition. Hello there, how are you doing?
Coca-Cola aeg. KTM-i sõbrad kuskil on all. Side ulatuses, aga siin on nii palju ronimist, et kuhugi jõuda. Really beautiful. Where is Paphos?
Yeah, Paphos, that's up.
That side, okay.
Yeah. I'm just wondering what these guys are up to over here. They look like they are just staring at something, but strange.
Hunting.
Hunting is only allowed on Sundays and Wednesdays.
Ühesõnaga sinna mäe otsa lähme. Ja ülejäänud mägede otsa ka. And to the end we were third, yeah?
Yeah, I'll start at the front.
It's so easier to start from there and forth.
No jõudsimegi siia mäed. Fun one, yes. Okay. Yeah. no. Ei, mis sealt tulevad. Rämeviht tuleb peale. Aga no seda oligi ilma tead järgi arvata. Ja tuleb kõik. Okei. Okay. Jälle vale joon. I make it once more. It wasn't good. Yeah, I'm filming anyway. If you're going, I'm going to accept it. No. It's not. Fuck, it's little step here.
Your line is very bad. My line is easier. But because it's so close to Christmas and I don't want to spend it in the hospital, I'll just walk it down here.
You know 2 rules how to train a wheelie. How to train a wheelie driving. You know 2 rules. I'm teaching you. 1 rule is train with a friend's bike, not yours. And the 2nd rule is train near the hospital. Fuck. I'm driving. I have insurance. What bad gonna happen? The hill is not going to catch me. Max. Hey, nothing. It's only 2 meters. Next time you can improve. Yes. First gear, second. First gear. Of course. Lihtsalt prügid on metsa. In the mountains I saw some places where the big trucks have put all their load downhill.
Come a little bit left and you can carry on a bit straighter and then keep it turn from there. So if you can go, if you get good traction, just go
Yeah. Vihm nagu paistab ümberringi, aga me pole pihta saanud. Rain is everywhere, but we didn't hit it. He didn't hit us. lükkamine jälle, mida ma kõige paremini oskan. Yeah. Made it all slippery. Niisugused ribad on metsas, nagu see praegu on üles kaevatud ja kultiveeritud, nagu näha on tulekahju jaoks. Tulekahju tuleb, see levis ikka ta. Täna sõitsime 3,5 tundi, aga sellepärast, et vihma hakkas täiega, hakkab sadama. Leppisime kokku, et teeb vähe allaindlust ja me ei lähe vihmaga teisel poole mägesid, sest pole lihtsalt nauditav. Ja ega midagi hullu ei ole ka. Jõuluõhtu saabki minna praadi tegema ja ega ei sööld, et kõhtu täis ei saanud. Sai sõita küll. Ütleme, et tase, või noh, mitte tase, aga raskus oleks võinud natuke karmim olla, aga samas oleks leidnud tõuse küll, kus oleks jäänudki puurima ja puurima. 2 meest jäid päris maha, nii et väga äge oli. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
It was lovely riding with you today.
Yeah, lovely.
Great fun.
Great fun, yeah. Nice uphills and downhills.
Yeah, it was some very good sections, huh?
Yeah.
Lots of fun sections.
Lots of fun. And you can ride here hours and hours and hours.
Yeah, you can spend all day, no problem.
No nii, vihmasadu on küle jäänud, aga niisuguse päev täna oli, et endurotamas tagasi. Uksed on juba avatud ja Mirjam on siin ja tere! No mis ma ütlen selle endurotamise kohta, et päris lahe oli. Täna sõitsime 3,5 tundi, muidu siuke full day on tavaliselt 5 tundi. Ehk siis hind sõltub vastavalt sellest, et täispäeva hind on mingi 190 kuni 230 eurot mina sain, aga eks pundiga tulles või mitmeks päevaks tulles saab kaubelda. Et rajad olid siuksed, et ütleme, et instruktor oli kehvem sõitja natuke kui mina, aga noh, ma sain kõhu täis, et noh, lihtsamapoolsed. Ta ütles, et tal on seal valikus küll neid asju, et kui tuleme pundiga veel kunagi tagasi. võib-olla Renksi jooksjad oleks natuke rasked olnud, Renks poleks ilmselt hakkama saanud, aga noh, teised punt oleks kuidagi tulnud üles ikka. Mirja, mis sa arvad, Renks poleks hakkama saanud?
Ma ei tea.
No paku.
Ma arvan, et oleks ikka.
Oleks või? Ma ei tea, noh. Aga selge, side lõpp siis.